right, this is from a pal Crew. He got 2 boxes. I grabbed him the top 2 boxes. You see one's got the good luck dent. Just top box. Let's do the good luck dent box first. Let's see what happens. All right, Crew, you have Ronnie Rodriguez, rookie. Carlos Martinez. Carlos Correa. Pretty much any of the big 4 is going to pay for your break. Well, probably not. Eloy's base won't pay for it. But Francisco Mejia, Jeff McNeil. Cedric Mullins. Auto. Herrera. Got a red Zach Cozart for the Angels, 4 of 5. And the good luck dent did squat. All right, bud. Here we go. Orange Marcus Stroman. 11 of 25 for the Blue Jays. Got a Judge. Aaron Judge. Mitch Keller for the Pirates. Rookie auto. Strasburg. Come on, guys. We got to hit him a card in these last 3 packs. Chris Bryant. Ryan O'Hearn, rookie. Another red. Jose Abreu. 5 of 5. Last pack right here. We need one of the top 3. Victor Robles. Nice card. All right, buddy. I didn't do it for you with the 2 boxes. I tried. I really did. I got you 2 reds, though. Jose Abreu, 5 of 5. eBay 1 of 1. Mitch Keller. Marcus Stroman. Zach Cozart, 4 of 5. And Cedric Mullins. So, you know. Get you a photo here of your 2 reds. All right, guys, let me save the video. I appreciate y'all watching tonight. Hope you had a good time, and I'll see you tomorrow. Probably we'll do the teams tomorrow. They should fill. I mean, I would assume they fill. All right, see you later. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.